I've just got a clip here that is quoting people like Orengo. Orengo is my governor who is doing nothing but promoting his bachelor in life by marrying the tribals of Milima. So he has to defend his marriage and the promises he made to the wife and the children that one day Ugenya will be in their hands when he's still on power. That will never happen. If that is what you are sticking in the power over decades, bringing us even lawyers to leaders in Ugenya, even David Ochieng is not a Luo, but we will not. Is a child of our Luo sister. That we will follow up. Me one is too, but we will follow up. And I will say Orengo too. Only those people who knows Orengo is Jomarach and an Abongo community. And the one who brought Orengo back to politics or in power, who let him on power, was Oginga, the father of Raila Amolo Odinga. By carrying that thing in his hands and letting me wanna skiza si stories zenye mnaandikia watu. You have been cheating all over decades with these stories. Mnaambia watu, yani mnajua tabia, mnajua lifestyle ya familia ingine. Kuliko mimi, I have no lifestyle record ya Wakikuyu. Na the Kikuyus wanajua lifestyle ya Wajaluo, even voting for Babu Owino to win Oburu Oginga and Babu to be declared to be a Luo kingpin. Washenzi walisha kitambo bwana. Washenzi waleta kitambo. Hizo voting zenye mna vote nayo, mlikuwa mnadanganya nayo watu ati mko 4 million, 6 million. Ati you voted Ruto 6 million. Kwani wakale hawakupigia Ruto kura? Hawa watoto wakukuja nao wanakwanga wasumbufu. And if you want God to help you, help yourself. Don't be fooled with other people who their fathers are roaming around at you be the father that will help you tomorrow. In the God's name, I pray. Don't fool other people, fool yourself. Mtu anakuambia baba mtoto amekufa na baba yake yako kwa jela. You expect what after 18 years akitoka kwa jela? Wende utanyongwa kwanza. Ni kama kuchukua mwizi, anakuambia polisi anakuja anakuambia mwizi amekimbia.